In this tutorial, we'll show you how to calibrate the MC1 Slipform Paver machine, ensuring that the sensors and positioning source are accurately aligned with the actual position of the machine. We recommend calibrating every time you move the machine to a new job site, a new installation is performed, or adjustments are made. If on-site calibration isn't possible, we suggest transporting the paver with masts and sensors connected to reduce the possibility of misalignment. To perform the calibration, you will need a compatible total station with the MC app, a tape measure, marker and center punch, a digital level, a mini prism kit, to be logged in as an installer in MC1. Before getting onto the paver, make sure it's stable and locked out. Under the machine, you need to mark the 4 calibration points that define the edges of the mold: left rear, left front, and right front of mold. Mark each point with a Leica mini prism. If the exact edges of the mold are not accessible, you will need to measure offset mold calibration points from the edges. The values can then be entered after calibration. Your goal is to identify a flat plane on the underside of the mold. Avoid any edge slump overbuild section. Do not include the stainless steel trowel section. Do not include the leading edge throat area. Position the total station 20 to 30 meters behind the paver at an angle that will give you a clear view of all the points. Note that you only need to level the total station to get the relative position on the target. No need to set up in local or job site coordinates. With the Bluetooth antenna in the upright position and the total station leveled, go to the MC app. For information on how to connect to a total station, watch our video dedicated to this topic. Before you calibrate, it is important that your slope sensor arrangement is valid for the machine type, that your machine is on a hard and flat surface and will not move before you have finished. On your MC1 panel, go to the main menu. Press Machines and select Slipform Paver. Here you can find a timestamp of the latest calibration. Press Calibrate. MC1 connects automatically to the paired total stations using Bluetooth. Before you continue, make sure you level your machine and de-stress the legs. Then go to the next page, select Machine Calibration Procedure, and go to the next page again. On your total station with the MC app open, press the toolbox. Select Machine Dimensions, and importantly, select Leica Mini Prism as the prism type, and set the correct offsets. When using the prism in this inverted position, be sure to enter negative prism height. Manually aim your total station at left rear. We recommend turning on the laser to make it easier to see where you aim. Then, press Measure. If you're unsure about the next measurement, the machine control panel will guide you through each step. Manually aim your total station at right rear and press Measure. Then aim your total station at left front and press Measure. Next, aim your total station at right front and press Measure. The dimensions are now calculated and you will see the out-of-plane tolerance for the mold points. Press Next. The prism type will automatically change to MPR122. Aim the total station at the left mast and press Measure. The total station will automatically lock on to the prism before measuring. Aim the total station at the right mast and press Measure. You have now completed all the measurements. Press Next and return to your panel. Then press Next to see all mold and mast dimensions. Then press Next again and accept the calculated values for long and cross slope. Press the flag to save and press OK. The calibration status will update with the date and time of your calibration. If the position of the mold calibration points were offset from the mold edges, In the Machine Dimensions menu, you can enter the offset values to amend the dimensions of the mold. And that's it. You have now learned how to calibrate your MC1 Slipform Paver machine. Import a design file and start paving. Thanks for watching.